Here's why you should use a cookie consent tool designed for Webflow. We tested the most popular tools, and here's what we found. Other tools do not detect trackers in the native video element in Webflow, allowing trackers to load without user consent. This happens because Webflow hides video URLs behind a CDN wrapper when using the native video element. These Webflow-specific implementations are often missed by other tools. Consent Pro blocks videos and shows placeholders, helping ensure compliance. Other tools do not detect trackers and videos added to the native Lightbox in Webflow, and do not show placeholders while waiting for user consent. Consent Pro loads videos in the Lightbox only after user consent. The way Webflow handles videos in the native Lightbox makes them difficult for most tools to detect, which is why many non-specialized tools fail to block them. Others do not integrate with Webflow localization to translate banners. This requires a deeper understanding of how Webflow renders content dynamically. Consent Pro fully integrates with Webflow localization, allowing you to translate banners and components directly in the canvas. Other tools do not integrate with Webflow Optimize and Analyze. This means they cannot determine whether to allow or block tracking based on configurations set in the Webflow designer. Consent Pro integrates with Webflow Optimize and Analyze using the Webflow API, allowing tracking to be controlled based on user choices. Other tools do not provide a reliable page scan. They often miss pages because they rely on link crawling, which cannot detect pages that are not linked anywhere on the site. If a marketing page is not linked, it may not be detected, which can create compliance risks. Consent Pro identifies all pages in your project using the sitemap and the Webflow API, ensuring a complete scan of your site. Others do not detect Google fonts or provide guidance on how to make them compliant. Remote Google Fonts requests can send the visitor's IP address to Google, which may raise compliance concerns. Consent Pro detects Google fonts in the app and provides clear instructions on how to fix them. Other tools provide little guidance on how to categorize or complete unknown trackers. They detect a tracker, but then what? What should you do with all those fields? Consent Pro categorizes and fills tracker information using AI. With one click, you can review and complete everything. Other tools require subscriptions that may stop working if payments are missed. With Consent Pro, once a site is connected with a lifetime license, it keeps running. Even if your agency is no longer involved, your clients stay protected and your reputation stays intact. Others give you too much freedom without clear guidance, making it difficult to know what to do or feel confident that your site is compliant. Consent Pro shows you exactly what needs to be done in the Actions tab, helping you make your website compliant based on your setup. Other tools do not detect or categorize trackers loaded through Google Tag Manager. This often requires manual setup and can be easy to miss. Consent Pro detects all trackers loaded through Google Tag Manager and lets you manage them directly in the app. Other tools limit you to predefined banner layouts with only basic customization options. Consent Pro lets you fully design and customize your banner directly in the Webflow canvas. Don't use tools that don't understand Webflow. Work with tools built for Webflow. You can install Consent Pro in the Webflow Apps Marketplace. The links are in the description below. Go to consentpro.com to learn how we can help you succeed with Webflow.